Now we're alone. Tell me what happened.
I thought you were dead and really shocked.
What?
I fell in love with you at first sight and hoped to get married to you someday. And one day I found you disappeared. And I heard your story. I kind of gave up my life. Why did you leave me?
No, I didn't leave you. I was just a fool. I'm sorry, Momyo.
So now you're back? Be back. I want to be with you.
Oh, sure, I will.
Eventually, their love made a happy ending. Well, don't forget someone down there is still waiting for her. You know what that is, right?
Oh, you're back. Did you get the river?
Yeah, but
Where's my darling?
that is...
The king heard everything and got really angry. And he decided to get healthy faster and take Shinchang back to himself. In the meantime, Shinchang helped Mongmyo to be a general working for a king in Joseon.
Honey, I will cut this rice cake neatly without looking at it. While I'm doing it, can you write the letter neatly on that paper with the same condition?
Deal!
Wow, you did it!
Now give me an award.
Just like this, they have the happiest moment together in their life without knowing the dark shadows coming near them.
Honey, you look worried. Are you okay?
Very vicious pirates are appearing on Dongyan so often lately, and they even attack innocent Baeksan.
Yes, I heard that. And you have any idea?
Actually, the other day, you brought a turtle with you from the sea, remember?
Yes, and?
That turtle's shell looked very hard, and maybe I can make a big ship looking like a turtle with a huge shell on it. How about that?
Brilliant! You're a genius.
Thanks. Then I will enter to the castle tomorrow and tell the king about it.